Differentiation Part 2 essay questions.
Already in the last video I explained you the essay questions of the differentiation. In this video also I explained the essay questions. Now this is the first question. Find the derivative of sin x power log x plus x power sin x. This is a very important essay question. Most frequently repeated essay question in the public examination. So listen carefully. So first we take that given function is equals to y. Find the derivative of the given function. Very important essay question. So first I take that let y is equals to given function sin x power log x plus x power sin x. So first I take that given function is equals to y. Now we have to take the derivative to this function. For that, now I take that the first function is equals to y1 and second function is equals to y2. We take that this is y1, this is y2. Write that one. Let y1 is equals to first function in the given problem sin x power log x, and second function is equals to y2. y2 is equals to x power sin x. Therefore, the equation, the given quotient becomes now y is equals to y1 plus y2. Okay, y is equals to, what is this total value? y1, and what is this value? y2. y1 plus y2, which implies, now taking the derivative to this equation, then what we get, just apply d by dx to all the three terms. dy by dx is equals to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. Just taking the derivatives to each functions. Say equation 1. That is, to find the derivative, it is enough to take the derivative of the y1 and derivative of the y2 and adding the two values. That is nothing but the dy by dx value. What is the given question? Find the derivative of the function. So first I take that given function is equals to y, and after that I take each function is equals to y1 and y2. After that, now the equation becomes, now the given quotient becomes y is equals to y1 plus y2. Now I apply the derivative to this equation. Then what we get? dy by dx is equals to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. Now what is the answer of the given quotient now? Just taking the derivative of the first function and taking the derivative of the second function and adding the two values to get the value of the dy by dx. Here now first we have to find the derivative of the first function and derivative of the second function. So first I take the first function to find the derivative. That is y1 is equals to. So first I take the first function here. y1 is equals to sin x power log x. Now how to take the derivative to this function? So observe that here the two functions are x functions. So x power x. So to find the derivative to these type of problems, first of all we have to apply the logarithm to this equation. That is log y is equals to sin x power log x. When we apply the logarithm to the given function, if the given function is in the form of x power x, x function power x function, both functions are the x function. Suppose the given problem is in the form of f of x power g of x, then we use the logarithm to find the derivative. That is the procedure. So from this, log y1 is equals to, now writing the power as the quotient, that is log x into log of sin x. Now we want the derivative, so applying the dy by dx, that is d by dx of log y1 is equals to d by dx of log x into log of sin x. d by dx of log y1 is equals to d by dx of log x into log of sin x. Now taking the derivative, what is log x derivative? 1 by x. That is log y1 derivative 1 by y1. Again y1 derivative dy1 by dx. Log y1 is equals to 1 by y1. Again the y1 derivative dy1 by dx. In place of x we have y1 here, and this is equals to, in the form of u into v, product of the two x functions. First function is equals to u, second function is equals to v. Now what is the formula for finding the derivative of uv? d by dx of uv is equals to, now applying that formula here, u into v dash, that is log x into v dash is equal to log of sin x whole dash, u into v dash plus v into u dash, that is log of sin x into u dash is equals to log x whole dash. u into v dash plus v into u dash, and this is equals to, so dy1 by dx is equals to, writing this y1 to this side, that becomes y1 into log x into, what is log of sin x derivative? Log of sin x is equal to log x form. And what is log x derivative? 1 by x, that is 1 by log of sin x derivative 1 by sin x. Again sin x derivative, what is sin x derivative? Cos x. Log x is equals to 1 by x, and what is x value here? X is equal to sin x. Again sin x derivative, that is cos x, plus log of sin x into log x derivative 1 by x. Therefore, the value of dy1 by dx is equals to y1. What is y1? Already here I take that y1 is equal to sin x power log x. So I substitute that value in place of y1. So here y1 is equals to sin x power log x into log x into cos x by sin x. 1 into cos x, that is cos x by sin x, plus log of sin x into 1 by x. So this is the derivative of the first function. So here we completed the derivative of the first function. Now we start finding the derivative of the second function. What is the second function? Here we have that y2 is equal to x power sin x. So this is also in the form of f of x power g of x. Both are the x functions. F of x power g of x. The derivative, first we apply the logarithm. That is log y2 is equals to log x power sin x. First we apply the logarithm to find the derivative. That is log y2 is equal to, writing the power as the coefficient. Since this is the logarithmic function, writing the power as the coefficient. That is sin x into log x. Now finding the derivative, taking the differentiation. That is d by dx of log y2 is equals to d by dx of sin x into log x. Just taking the function and applying the logarithm and taking the derivative. That is the procedure. That is d by dx of log y2. What is the derivative value? 1 by y2. Again y2 derivative, dy2 by dx is equals to this d by dx of sin x into log x. Again this is in the form of uv. Again applying the uv rule formula. What is uv rule formula? D by dx of uv is equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Just applying that formula here also. So this is equals to u into v dash, that is sin x into log x whole dash, plus v into u dash, log x into sin x whole dash, u into v dash plus v into u dash, and this is equals to, therefore dy2 by dx is equals to, writing this y2 to this side, y2 into sin x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into sin x derivative cos x. Therefore, the value of dy2 by dx is equals to, what is y2 value? Here I take that y2 is equals to x power sin x. Now substituting that value, x power sin x into, this answer is sin x into 1, sin x by x plus log x into cos x. So this is the value of dy2 by dx. Now what is the first equation? We have that from equation 1 what we have? From equation 1 we have that dy by dx is equals to d. From equation 1 we have that dy by dx is equals to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. dy by dx is equals to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to, already here we have the values of dy1 by dx and dy2 by dx. Now substituting the values. What is dy1 by dx value? dy1 by dx is equal to, first answer, sin x power log x into log x into cos x by sin x plus log of sin x into 1 by x. This is the answer of the dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. This is the dy2 by dx. What is dy2 by dx value? This is the answer. That is x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. That's all. This is the answer. The most important essay question for 7 marks. That's all.